Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. As you can see here, this is a fusible plug from one of the locos. That is where your fire would touch. So it'll be down in the firebox, up in the top head of the crown of the firebox like that. The water will touch that bit and all around surrounding this, and when the water drops too low in the firebox, what will happen? The lid will melt. Inside that hole, without the lead, is a threaded hole. That keeps the lead in the middle, but also the lead melts at a lower temperature. So in a safety device on a steam loco, it keeps it safe and it stops the firebox from getting weak and exploding, basically. And then there's a new one getting made on the lathe. As you can see, you're dead set between centres and stuff like that by Jimmy in your 4-jaw chuck or your 3-jaw chuck. Here's the boiler. Quite sad how it's all just left there, but it is what it is. He sits in a good museum. And the hole, if you can see. There's a big steam engine that used to power it all. As you can see, the belts was all pulley driven. Many years ago. As you can see, there's a shaft. Goes right through, all straight across the other end. There's some of your Lister engines that would have powered it in the later modern days. Your oil cup. Drip feed by the looks of it, and your oil. Crank through there.